test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore. Thanks for joining us.
Oh my God.
See you.
Hey there, humanoids, Mr. Nooks and Crannies here. Today we are at EPCOT, the experimental prototype community of tomorrow, to check out the cast member preview of Test Track 3.0. That's right. So why don't you grab your crash test dummies and head right this way. Did I do it again somehow? How do you stop?
The seatbelt check is around the corner. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please, supervise children. Thank you. Por favor, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad bien abrochado y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuiden a los pequeñitos. Welcome, riders. I'll be your guide on today's journey.
And I'm your automated vehicle. Welcome to the test track.
We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now we set a course for the future.
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
That's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises.
Hang on!
Woo, nicely done.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated. Power transfer complete.
Smart roads are just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home.
Can I show them?
Go for it. First, select a new vehicle line.
What about this one?
Good choice. Now let's see how it looks.
Oh, let's try another. That looks good with the third row.
And here's one I think you'll really love.
Oh, I could get used to this.
Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride?
Sure, it's always fun to be free.
Hey, see what they did? Smells good.
Like the forest.
Might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner.
And together, we keep moving forward, finding new ways to drive to a brighter tomorrow.
Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon?
Let's go!
this
drive
time, though.
might be complete, but just
found it
ahead
at the
is the
Goodwill.
vehicle
I'll buy me a
showcase,
new one.
where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there?
I think you should just leave the jokes to me.
Maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us. See you in the future.
That's going to do it for today's adventure. I'm Mr. Nooks and Crannies saying it's fun to be free. Hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Much more room in the car dealership section. Still have the new vehicles on display. We can sit in and see what's going on with the new products of General Motors. Got a little photo op. Photo op here, charging up your electric vehicle in your home. Yeah. And should you want to make an appointment with your local General Motors to purchase a vehicle, I'm sure this will be open for just such things. It looks like the gift shop is being stocked and set up just in time for you fine folks to come on down to EPCOT and check out Test Track 3.0.